What's going on, guys and gals? Stock Jock here, up $253 on the day, and it's been kind of an ugly day, so I'm kind of happy to be in the green. 2 days ago, I had a pretty rough day, lost about $1,000. Yesterday, I was about 250. Today, I'm up about 250. So, still trying to gain ground on that loss I had the other day. It was just a stupid trade I took. I was up $1,000 and then took a really bad trade and ended up losing $1,000 at the end of it. Also, it was basically a $2,000 loss. And normally I wouldn't have taken that trade, but I'm not going to get into it. I wouldn't have taken that trade anyway, but I had a huge cushion on the day. I thought, hey, why not? And that why not cost me. So I'm still recovering from that why not. And but let's go over today's trades. It's been really choppy today. A lot of false breaks, a lot of stocks that would pop right up and then drop super hard. So I don't know if that has to do with trading because it's the last day of the month, last day of the quarter. I don't know. So it's just been really wicked today, and I was very hesitant to get in anything whatsoever. Um, but let's go over my trades. First one was AUXO. This one was hitting the high of day scanner for low float stocks here. Um, you know, I should have gotten in when I first saw it. It hit here, got the pullback, and I should have gotten in there for that 1 minute candle over candle break, and that would have probably given me about 20 cents. But I didn't do it. Like I said, I was hesitant. Normally I would do it, but I was super hesitant. So anyway, I didn't get in it till one of my chat rooms said that they were going to get into it as well, and that gave me a little bit more confidence because again, you have thousands of other people playing the exact same stock. It gives you a higher probability that it's going to go in the direction that you're going to go, that you want it to go. So right here is when we got in at 9:53 a.m. At $5.17. Got a quick pop up. It kind of stalled very quickly, and the spread was really big. It was like 521 on the bid and 538 on the ask, and it just stayed there, and the bid never came up. It's kind of a bear sign to me. So once I saw that it wasn't going, the bid wasn't going to come up, I got out for basically a 5 cent win uh, overall. I took 2,000 share lots as I sold out, and then as you can see, this huge red candle, boom, all the way back down to 506. So it was just kind of ugly. I did get back in it and got burned. I was looking for this high a day break right here after we got a consolidation. Um, when did I get back in? Let's see, 554. Where's that at? Okay, so it dropped back down. Let's see, what did I do? No. Okay, I sold inside the same candle, got back in. I was thinking we're gonna get the high day break and it's gonna run towards 550. And this is a lot of times where people will double their position. It just didn't happen, and um, I got washed out as I saw the bids not coming up and the ask coming down. I sold for basically, what is that? 6 cent loss, 7 cent loss, almost an 8 cent loss. So then I was down 100 and some odd dollars in the day, and this thing just kaput. I really think if we would have broken, you can see the daily chart, there's pretty big resistance here at 550, and if we would have gotten up there and broken it, probably could have seen a pretty significant move. But the volume just didn't come in as we were trying to break that, high day right there, and paid the price. So then I'm red on the day for that. So didn't like that at all. But then CNET, this one of the chat rooms, I believe it was Jason Bond Picks, one of the guys in there, I think it was Bart, alerted this one, and he got in, but I don't know why he got in. But I got in because of the 5 minute setup. Huge move here on the 5 minute candle, sell off, consolidation, and then inside this time frame it dropped and then it came back up, and that's when I got in. Let's see, what time was that? 10:11. So right here, okay. So as you can see, kind of the candle over candle in the 1 minute, but I was watching the 5 minute. As soon as we were going to break 519 is when I was going to go long. I went long at 6.14, $6.14 in the anticipation of this break right here, We got the break. It went as high as 625, stalled out, and I sold once I saw it stall out for $6.61, basically a 7-cent win on 4,000 shares. That brought me back to green. I think I was up $80 at this time. So, but I was happy to be green, and I was pretty much willing to call it a day there until I saw some of the shippers. And this is actually a trade that I love doing. I love playing shippers, um, especially GLBS. So I was watching to see that Dries, Sino, and Tops. These are all kind of just low float shipping stocks, and they all started to hit kind of high a day. And when I saw that, I went over to GLBS and I immediately got in at 459. Let's see where you can see my buy at. There it is right here. So 21 right here. So this is, it had 12,000 shares of volume, 4,000 shares of that was me. Got in at 459. These guys start going high a day. This is a pure sympathy play. That's all it was. Boom, volume came in. 20,000 shares, 26,000 shares, 18,000 shares. That's a lot of shares on a stock with this low of float, and I really was hoping that would crush high a day and just get this move up towards 5. But when the other shippers, and this is what I was watching these shippers right here, when they stopped going high of day, that's when I sold. I sold 2,000 shares at 463 for a 4-cent win, and 2,000 shares at 465 for a 6-cent win. And that put me at 253 on the day, and I'm happy with that. The market is really kind of ugly right now. I see shippers are starting to hit high a day again. Maybe Dries will bring the other ones with it, and if so, I'll probably go long GLBS one more time, give it another shot. But I'm in no hurry, and definitely no hurry to get burned. So that's all for now. If you want a link to any of the chat rooms that I use, check out the description below. There's a few of them there. Remember, every one of your subscriptions that you do is 100% tax deductible. It is a tool for your job. So remember that as you sign up for these. Be sure to report that on your taxes. If you have any questions, find me on StockTwits or Google Hangouts. At the email address on Google Hangouts is stockjockat@gmail.com. I'm there to answer any questions you may have about the chat rooms or about my trading style. And if that is all for now, I will see you all in the next video.